Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best E. coli test kit is probably one of the most important tools for ensuring the safety of your food and water. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of E. coli testing, exploring why it's crucial, how these kits work, and what you need to know to make an informed decision. We'll cover everything from the basics of E. coli to the practical aspects of using these kits, so you can protect yourself and your loved ones. Number 5. Varify 17-in-1 Water Test Kit. This kit offers a complete analysis of your drinking water. It tests for 17 essential parameters, including chlorine, lead, and bacteria, giving you a full picture of your water's quality. The Varify kit is made with professional-grade quality. Every test strip is designed for precision and reliability, ensuring you get dependable results every time you test. The test strips use a simple, color-coded system. This makes it quick and easy to assess your water quality, providing understandable results in just minutes. The kit includes 100 strips in sealed pouches to maintain freshness. It also has 2 bacteria tests that provide results within 48 hours, ensuring a thorough and accurate assessment. With every purchase, you're also supporting Water for Good. A portion of the proceeds goes to help fight water poverty in Central Africa, contributing to #CleanWater worldwide. What we like. This kit tests for 17 different parameters, giving you a complete picture of your water quality. If you are looking for a comprehensive analysis of your water, including bacteria, lead, and other contaminants, you should consider this. Moreover, a portion of the proceeds goes to Water for Good, supporting clean water initiatives, so you're also contributing to a good cause. What people say. The instructions are clear and the process is simple: dip a strip, wait a few moments and match it to the color chart. It tests for everything from lead and chlorine to pH and hardness. The kit comes with 100 strips plus 2 separate bacteria tester kits, giving me peace of mind when checking both chemical levels and potential contamination. Number 4. Coliform Bacteria Test Kit for Drinking Water, 2-pack. Worried about the quality of your drinking water? This kit provides a simple and reliable way to test for coliform bacteria. It's an EPA-approved method, giving you peace of mind about what you and your family are consuming. Using this kit is incredibly easy. You can quickly test your home tap or well water. In just 48 hours, you'll have results, allowing you to take action if needed. This kit is designed to detect the presence of E. coli, a harmful bacteria. The test is made in the USA, ensuring quality and accuracy. It's a proactive step in safeguarding your health. Whether you get your water from a tap or a well, this kit is suitable for testing. It's a convenient way to monitor your water quality regularly. This will help you to keep your family safe. The testing method used in this kit is approved by the EPA. This means the results are reliable and trustworthy. It's a dependable solution for water quality testing. What we like. This kit uses an EPA-approved method for accurate coliform bacteria detection. If you have concerns about bacteria in your drinking water and want a reliable, easy-to-use test, you should consider this. The kit is made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. What people say. The test strips were easy to use and provided clear results. The kit includes all the necessary materials for testing. The instructions were straightforward and easy to follow. Number 3. Safe Home Bacteria in Water Test Kit, 2-pack. Worried about the water you drink? This kit provides results in as fast as 24 hours. It quickly detects potential bacteria, giving you peace of mind about your water supply. This test kit is designed to detect 50 different species of coliform bacteria, including E. coli. It's a comprehensive way to ensure your water is safe for you and your family. Developed and manufactured in the USA by EPA-certified scientists, this kit is the #1 selling bacteria test kit. The kit is also certified by independent laboratories, ensuring its reliability. You can test various freshwater sources, including drinking water, tap water, and well water. The kit's patented technologies can detect bacteria at low levels. Each kit is sterilized to ensure accurate results. Safe Home also provides customer support before, during, and after testing. The instructions are available in 3 languages. Your purchase helps support clean water initiatives worldwide. A portion of every sale is donated to these important causes, making a positive impact on people's lives. What we like. This kit detects up to 50 different species of coliform bacteria, including E. coli, providing a thorough assessment of your water. If you are looking for a comprehensive test with reliable results and customer support, you should consider this. Plus, your purchase supports clean water initiatives worldwide. What people say. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, and the kit felt well made and professional. I appreciated that it provides results in as little as 24 hours, which is perfect when you need answers quickly. The fact that it's EPA lab certified and made in the USA gave me extra confidence in the accuracy. Number 2. AquaVial 8-pack water testing kit. Worried about your water quality? This kit helps you identify potential health risks early. It's designed for easy and reliable detection of harmful bacteria. This AquaVial kit includes 8 tests specifically designed to detect E. coli and coliform bacteria. The tests are highly sensitive, ensuring accurate results for your peace of mind. The testing process is straightforward. Just pour your water sample into the tube and observe the color change. The color chart helps you interpret the results quickly. Yellow indicates safe water, while pink suggests the presence of E. coli or coliform bacteria. The results are easy to read, making it simple to assess your water safety. AquaVial is exceptionally sensitive, capable of detecting even low levels of bacteria. This ensures you get reliable results, giving you confidence in your water quality. You can use this kit to test water from various sources, including showers, wells, pipes, pools, and hot tubs. It offers a convenient way to monitor microbial levels. Unlike standard test strips, AquaVial has a 2-year shelf life. This provides you with a longer-lasting solution for water quality testing compared to other options. What we like. This kit is exceptionally sensitive, detecting even low levels of E. coli and coliform bacteria. If you like a quick and easy-to-read test with a long shelf life, you should consider this. The color changes make it simple to interpret your water's safety. What people say. Both trials were easy to do and successful. The product worked as described, and I like knowing that I have more tests on hand to use this upcoming season. Easy to use, easy to read. I like that the product is compact, and can give results after just a day or 2 incubation, depending on temperature. I use a precaution of applying 1:1 dilute bleach and wait 1 minute, and run water 3 to 5 minutes after, to avoid false negatives or false positives. I use it to check our water supply system in 4 places, from an outdoor hose bib, and from 3 sink faucets. Number 1. AquaVial Water Testing Kit, E. coli and coliform. Worried about water quality? This kit helps you identify potential health risks early. It includes 2 tests for E. coli and coliform bacteria, giving you peace of mind. Testing is quick and easy. Just pour your water into the tubes and wait for the color change. The results are easy to read. Yellow indicates safe water, while pink suggests the presence of E. coli or coliform bacteria. Use the provided color chart for accurate interpretation. This kit is exceptionally sensitive, detecting even low levels of bacteria. It ensures reliable results, so you can trust the findings. Use it for various water sources, from showers and wells to pools and hot tubs. Unlike other kits, this one has a 2-year shelf life, providing long-term value. What we like. This kit is exceptionally sensitive, detecting even low levels of E. coli and coliform bacteria. If you like a quick and easy-to-read test with a long shelf life, you should consider this. The color changes make it simple to interpret your water's safety. What people say. Easy to use, and it gives us peace of mind. Easy to use for both tests. High confidence level in the results. Results show a clear color change. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.